Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin'Withamore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up because both help my channel greatly. Right, thanks so much in advance for that. Today is quick and easy and I got a little mini treat holder for you today, but it's so darn cute. Oh my gosh. I am using some of the new products from the new mini catalog in celebration because it is live, y'all. It's finally here. It went live on the 4th, 2 days ago, I should say. I'm thinking yesterday because I usually post on Wednesday. My new YouTube times are Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I just changed it from Wednesday to Thursday now. So this is the cute little treat holder. Look how cute this little thing is. I'll tell you how big it is. It is 1.5 by 4, and then it's 1 inch wide. But you can fit Hershey Kisses in here, Skittles, M&Ms, any kind of small treats, even probably the mini, like Hershey bars, stuff like that will fit in it. But it's so dang cute. I think this would be such a cute little birthday party favor, or for a baby shower, anything like this. This one just says a little something to brighten your day. So what I'm using for this is the Rainbow of Happiness bundle. So it comes with the dies, and I'm using the sentiment right here for this. This is going to be super popular. If you want this, you need to grab it. I know it's already really popular. I see stuff all over because look at these dies. Holy cow, look at these rainbow dies. It's so neat, and I love the little clouds right here. They're so cute. And the little edging is adorable. I love that. And so what I used is this one right here, this little tag. So that's what I used for the front of this. It's actually kind of the star of the show because what I did was I ran several of these through. I ran 4 or 5 different colors through, and I'll show you how I did all this and got the little rainbow at the top there. It's so cute. You can even use this plain, but with the little colors on the inside really made it pop. All right, so that's what I'm using. I am also using the Designer Series paper. This paper is actually a freebie from Celebration. So this is the 6x6, and it is called Sunshine and Rainbows. So I love this paper. Every bit of this paper is so darn cute. I love it all. And of course, Stampin' Up! Always does the double-sided, so you're getting twice as many patterns. You can use the punch to cut out this little cloud. We have a new cloud punch. But yeah, you can use any pattern for this. But I chose the little polka dots for this one, and it's really easy and quick. All right, let's get going and making this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and score the box first. You are going to just need a piece of Designer Series paper. I'm using the same one. This is 5.5 by 6, so it's the regular 6 by 6. You are going to score it on the 6-inch side, and whenever you're scoring Designer Series paper, I always point this out because it's important, is to use the wider ball on the stylus that you have. It will not tear this paper. And then you're going to score this at 1 and 5, and that's on the 6-inch side. And then you're going to turn it, and on the 5.5-inch side, you're going to score it at 1/2, 2, 3, and 4.5. That is all our scoring. All right, so I know it is pretty busy. Let's see, maybe, yeah, you could probably see it better on this side. So what you have is 1 inch on each side here. This is going to be our top of our box. So we are going to, let's cut first here. I gotta even look myself. Okay, we're gonna cut this little bottom part here. This is gonna be our tab here. And I am actually leaving this top part. I'm not going to cut that. I almost forgot and cut it. But then we're going to cut these bottom flaps and both sides are 1 inch, so it doesn't matter which side you choose. I'm going to show you the other side here in a minute. It's just easier for me to see this side when I'm cutting. All right, so that's all the cutting you're going to do. So it's going to look like that. And let me fold this over first. So this is going to be our little flap. So we're going to fold that over. And we are going to fold on these as well. Just sharpen all these score marks. And fold these up as well. And then I'm going to use on here, what I want to do is I want this to look fluid. So what I'm going to do is this is going to go on the inside. But what I'm going to do here is I am just going to cut this little top part here. I'm going to do it this way so you can see. I'm just cutting across like that. So we're going to put our adhesive right here. I'm going to use Stampin' Seal Plus. This is still going to go on the inside of your box here. Like that. And then I want this to fold over so it kind of goes to the back and you can't see like the extra bulk or anything on there. So I'm just going to add some Stampin' Seal there. And then this just kind of blends in. So this is going to be my front right here. So I'm going to fold in these. And we're just going to add some adhesive here. And there's your box. Look how super quick it is. But you don't even have to do this part if you don't mind it just looking kind of off. I want it to look more fluid, so that's why I just cut the top part right here. You're going to squeeze that like that. I'm going to grab the cut and emboss, and we are going to bring up we're going to cut our little tag. And I'm not going to cut all the other ones. I cut all these, and I think one of the other ones, I don't see it right here, but I cut out 4 different colors. So you're going to get, each one are going to have all these little pieces. And when we run this one through, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So we're going to just run this through, this little tag. And then when you lift this, all the inside pieces of that are left behind. So you can see all these little pieces. And I just saved them from every color that I cut out. From the Melon Mambo, the Mango Melody, and all the colors I cut. I just kept these pieces. So I have enough to make like 4 different, because I cut 4 different colors. I have enough to make 4 different ones of these little tags. All right, now I'm going to show you how I do this. So you do need a scrap of basic white here. And all you're going to do is you are going to trace with the pencil the rainbow part only, like that. I'm going to cut this out, cut straight across, and then just cut it out. I cut inside the line, so you aren't going to see that line. So you have this little piece here. Now here are the other pieces that I already cut. These are the extras that I had. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to take my Stampin' Seal. You're going to cover this whole thing with the Stampin' Seal. Just cover the whole thing with it. I'm just going to fold whatever's excess over on there. So this whole thing is sticky right here. So what we're going to do is you are going to place this on top, line it up. If you have anything hanging over the edge, you can just trim that off. If there's any little bits here, you just trim that off. I've got one little piece left. Doesn't have to be perfect, but sometimes drives me crazy. All right, so now all I'm going to do is take your pick tool, and I'm going to start placing these pieces. So this one's the smaller one, and it's just going to adhere to that because we put adhesive on the whole backing there. And I'm just going to alternate the colors. And they're just staying right inside there. Like that. And that's all that's to it. Super, super easy. So isn't it cute with the little rainbow though on it? So I have enough to do like 2 more. So you should be able to do 4 out of your different colors. All right, I'm going to take my little punch, hole punch, and I'm only using my tiny hole punch, the 1/8 inch one. And I'm just going to punch at the very top of this so we can run our ribbon through. And this one, I'm going to also punch here, but I'm using our regular one for this regular hole punch. So I'm just punching through this side and then I'll squeeze it and we'll be even there. All right, I'm going to use this polished pink, and we are going to make our little, add our little tag here to it. Oh, why didn't I didn't stamp it? Hello. It's one of those mornings. Actually, it's pretty early this morning. I just wanted to get ahead of the game, so because there's so much going on today. But so it says a little something to brighten your day. Almost forgot the best part. All right, now let's add it. So cute. I love the way this little rainbow turned out. And just tighten that down, and then we're just gonna, you can use any of the color ribbons that this goes with, but there you go. Quick and easy, right? Done. But I love the little tag with the little rainbow on the top. Here's the other one. So it all depends how your little top goes, but there you go. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. This is my January hostess code. If you want to shop the new mini catalog or any of the catalogs and Celebration, because now, for those of you who don't know, Celebration, you earn a free product with every $50 purchase. So if you spend $100, you can either get one of our $100 choices, because there are a couple in the Celebration brochure for $100, and then, or you can get 2 of the $50 choices. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.